The making of this Trek Speedconcept contains of two parts, so check out the first part if you haven't seen it yet, and for all those who have seen the first part, let's go to the paint shop and let's paint some more graphics on the frame. I resprayed all the grey areas in white so you can't see the eagle. It's underneath all the masking tape, and now it's time to remove all these masks so the eagle will appear again, and that's what I'm doing now. And are you excited how the eagle looks like? I'm not, because I demasked this side. That takes a while, nearly an hour. It's not so easy. I have to remove all the hundreds of little chips, and I cannot remove the masking tape in one step. So I have to spend some time on the left side, but I like to show you the right side so you can see the complete design of the eagle. And that's it, the first graphic on the frame. Next I have to lay down the position of the stripes, and I will use some masking tape, and I'll mark some points on the fork and the frame. And this will be my reference for the golden stripes. I'm spraying the golden stripes on the frame, and as you can see, it's a multi-layer process. I started with a silver base coat, some nice flakes. I masked all these areas again. Currently I'm spraying the orange outline. When the outline is ready, I will demask, mask again for some shadows, and the last layer is a nice transparent candy gold. The next part of this game is the coat of arms. I have to paint in between the graphic elements of the fork and also on top of the fork. And to do so, I did some stencils of the German eagle for the left and the right side, and also stencils of the little coat of arms symbol I have to paint on the crown in 4 layers. These are the golden and the black one, and I have to do also a white and a red one. And that's what I'm doing now. The fork is nearly done. The last graphic elements to do are these little stripes, and I marked one of these stripes and I will do them asymmetric. That means the stripes on the right fork leg differ from the stripes on the left fork leg. And why do I do this? Because they should look like as they are thrown on the fork, so they have to differ on each side. And I will mark them in different positions, spray them, and then I can spray some clear coat on this fork. The frame is also nearly done, but I have to spray also the stripes like I did on the fork, and I will spray some more details on some graphic elements. What I'm currently doing is shading. I'm shading some of these elements to give them a little 3D effect. And I like to show you how I do this. I masked the tail of the eagle and I will spray a shadow behind this tail to divide it from the stripes, and I use a dark gray, my shadow color. And I spray only a light shadow. Let's check out how it looks. And that's a huge difference. Now the tail looks like as it is in front of these stripes and not in one layer with these stripes. I like to show you the other side so you can see the difference. That's with the shadow and without the shadow. I will do the shadow also on this side and on some more graphic elements on this frame. The frame and fork are clear coated. Now I have to heat dry the frame and fork in the cabin at 60 degrees Celsius, half an hour, and my paint job is done. This was a half-hour journey through a week of custom painting at my shop. The result is the Trek Speedconcept. The client picked it up and is happy with the design and the paint job, so I'm happy too, and I hope you like it as I like it. And if you want to know more about my stuff and what I do, check out all the other videos, and see you soon.